It looks really dark on screen, but anyway, here we go. So they're just about ready to get this across. They have been working here today. It's actually surprising, if not shocking, how rotten the old beams look there. Especially the one on the right. And somehow they're supposed to get that across there. I think he's going to come and ask me if I can lift it for him there. Because they said originally they were going to swing it across using the old bridge to sort of stand on and then inch it sideways. Yeah, they may still be able to use the old beams. They're like relatively light beams. Slide it over on there onto the new supports. I assume they're going to leave all this timber. They said they're going to leave the big beams at least, because I said I could possibly use that in a building, to be honest. It amuses me, they've got these like men at work signs out. I've been trying to mount it on there and that simply doesn't work really well. It spins round and comes loose. There's plenty of ways to mount it now, and I wouldn't be averse to either sticking a GoPro mount on there or on there. That might work quite well, as long as it doesn't cover the screw holes. But it's not easy. There's lots of options, but they're all a bit, nearly always some sort of a drawback. That looks like a good plan, but that's inclined to just snap off and then it spins round on there. The vibrations.